All right now, fellas, today we're bringing out the Self Righting Dominator 2024 version. I got my hands on one. We're in a basic 4514 prop. This one I filled with expanding foam. Then I made a foam insert to plug it all the way up to the front.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene?
Gets lost. I want to be a world of fun. First, I got to test the self righting. It's working. You're used to this with the mini dom.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar weave. CNC parts, man, it's built for speed. High flow water systems cool from heat. 100 miles an hour on the water. Shit. Animal twin cat onslaught. Fastest in the game, it's a superstar. And the Dominator model, man, it's just as hard. Superpower, self-righting, bright colors and all. So when you hear it on the water, man, you know they rip. The ESC motors, props, it's lit. Strongest power systems on the market, legit. Oxydine Marine, no questions, that's it. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxydine Marine. Yeah.
Batteries dumped. Let's run home.
Did the battery get wet?
Okay, gentlemen, now that was fun. It looked good, especially for a shakedown run. Self-Righting Dominator, this thing flies right out of the box. These are some old-ass batteries. I got some batteries coming, and we'll get some battery videos coming soon. If you haven't already, smash the like button. Subscribe to our channel. Remember, Oxydine Marine is #1, and the Self-Righting Dominator is the #1 self-righting boat out there. Unless you want plastic.